Hello everyone, we are here today to explain to you how to do number 13 on page 230.
The diagram shows the graph of y equals fx. The scale is the same on each axis. Copy the diagram and on it sketch the graph of y equal 1 f power minus 1x, indicating the point on y equal f minus 1x corresponding to the point P and Q. State the relationship between the graph of y equal fx and y equal minus 1x. Hence, calculate the element whose image under f and f minus 1 are the same.
So we're giving these 2 points and we need to find the reflection of this. So the reflection we just swap the x and y. So this will go to this and this q will go to this. And find the relationship between this and this. So it's basically the reflection.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
For domain and range of this graph, as you can see, the domains come from 1 to 3. This is range, and the range of the x1 is from 0 to 6. And for the inverse, the range of inverse is going to be the domain of normal graph, and also for the domain of an inverse graph, going to be the range of a normal graph.
Can I explain how you find that equation wise?
So first we are gonna start off by finding the equation for fx. So to find the fx, first we need to find the slope. It's just a linear equation. So it's basically y equal mx plus b. M is the slope. To find the slope of the PQ, so we find the slope, so it's 6 minus 6 minus 0, excuse me, 6 minus 0 over 3 minus 1, so it is 6 over 2 equal to 3. So m is 3 for fx, m is 3. Then we substitute the x and y. Here, to make it easy, we substitute the 1, 0 for point P. So it's basically 0 equal to 3 plus b. So we get that b equal to negative 3. So next, to find the inverse function of the function, we already talked about the fx. So it's just the inverse, so we just put like y equal to 3x minus 3. 3x minus 3, we change the sign. Y plus 3 equal to 3x. And then so it's x equal to y plus 3 over 3. But when it's inverse, we say that the x here is equal to y, so it's y equal to, then the y is equal to x, so x plus 3 over 3. And then, so we got the equation. Then we put the two equations to be equal to each other to find the point where they cut. 3x minus 3 equal to x plus 3 over 3. 9x minus 9 equal to x plus 3. 8x equal to 9 plus 3 or 12. We can write it here, 12. So x equal to 12 over 8 or 1 and 1.5 or 1.5. Okay, so we get x 1.5, we substitute it in one of the equation we got. So I like to make this easy, so I just put 3, 1.5 minus 3. So we get 1.5. Here we can say that the point they cut is 1.5, 1.5.
คนโง่เลย
มันโง่จริง